They're responsible.
No, sir. Those are my pants. No, sir.
You're so respectful with them. No, sir.
Hulkaford is so dark, it's hard to even see. You can see like a little bit of glimmer in his eye.
He's a black man.
I knew he was going to be black. Ooh, Thornton. I think if you use Thornton for hunting, he's just going to eat the ducks. He's so cute. Oh, Hulkaford wants some of that. Oh.
He just wants to sit on it.
He just wants something to chew on. Nope. Not for you. You can have your own duck. Why do you have to go?
But I like Thornton stuff. Oh, now they just like each other.
I'm glad they like each other. Oh.
That's alright. They're still fighting. Hey, you guys.
Hey.
You guys, you just had a bath.
I don't like their collars. Thornton got the hang of it.
Hulkaford.
Hulkaford is camera shy. There he is. Everybody's excited that we got puppies, and then when I tell them their names, they're like, oh. Get
it. Hey. Hulkaford's just a jealous guy. As soon as Thornton gets something, he goes for it.
It drives him. Thornton is self-driven, and Hulkaford needs motivation.
Is this clean enough?
There's a t-shirt right there. We should just rake up all the clothes on our